A pair of loyal viewers, are letting us follow them every step of the way as they get ready for their first. It's our special series, Oh Baby. Jason's got it. Thank God.
Oh Baby is presented by Garanimals. Nish and Jeremy Fuchs are expecting their first baby. The mommy-to-be is 7.5 months along.
My Billy.
The couple, who have been married for almost 7 years, started as an office romance, but it took a little while for Jeremy to figure out Nish was the one.
I think Jeremy came to Chicago hoping to meet some Playboy playmates. I mean, to LA. And he met me. And so I think he needed a little time to sort it out. And
looks like a playmate, does IT. It's a good combo. I had that moment of truth where you picture your life and what it's going to be like with or without that person. And I just knew it had to be with her.
And I already knew.
And when Nish discovered she was pregnant earlier this year, they got the same giddy feelings for each other all over again.
I think I ran out of the bathroom going, I'm pregnant! With the stick flying. I'm pregnant. It's very romantic.
She's like, is that a clear line on there?
They were so excited they couldn't wait to find out the sex of the baby. It's a boy.
You're gonna be surprised either way when you find out. Why make it be 9 months when you can find out?
The suspense would kill me.
But Nish also experienced an unwelcome surprise, the exhaustion and nausea that comes in the first trimester.
I've been working full time, so I could barely get enough energy to get myself to work, come home, and then Jeremy was great. He would normally help me out by making me something to eat.
Nish is lucky. She also has her parents to help out. They live just half an hour away from their Southern California home.
We've already been pre-warned. On weekends, they're going to drop him off, go play golf, so we'll get spend time with them.
And while Jeremy's parents live in Chicago, they now have a reason to visit more often.
We will definitely come shortly after the baby's born, and we'll just keep coming back.
It's a joy.
Next week, Nish's fight to stay healthy.